Hey guys, so today we will be discussing about NIPER JEE 2019 question paper. I have secured All India rank of 106 and I want to share my experience and give you some guidance on how to crack NIPER JEE. So, if you like this video, then do press the like button, it will motivate me to make some more and subscribe to get all the future updates. So, I am Palak and today we will be discussing 10 most important and interesting MCQs of NIPER J 2019 and I want you guys to give the correct answer. If it is right, then that's great, but if it gets wrong, then don't worry. It is a learning process and eventually you will get it right. So, let us move towards the first question. Isoteric replacement of sulfur with carbon in cephalexin is options are loracarbef, meperopenem, S-threonam, cefixime. So here they have asked is isoteric replacement of sulfur with carbon. So when this sulfur is replaced with carbon in cephalexin, then what we will be getting? The right answer for this is loracarbef. Right. Now, number 2. Most abundant amino acid in the body is, and the options are glutamine, tyrosine, histidine, lysine. Here, the right answer for this is glutamine. And also here, please note that you should be knowing all the symbolic forms of this amino acids, means the symbolic letters like glutamine stands for Q, like that, because these are very important in terms of NIPER J examination. So please make sure that you know all the symbolic forms. Okay, now let us move to question number 3. Urate transporter inhibitor, which is used as anti-gout drug, is, and the options are lesinurad, allopurinol, colchicine, and glucocorticoid. So here we can see from the options that all are belonging to anti-gout drugs, right? But here we have been specifically asked urate transporter, and from the options the urate transporter is lesinurad. Okay, allopurinol is a xanthine oxidase inhibitor. Colchicine shows anti-gout effect by inhibiting microtubules, and glucocorticoid is also not showing urate transporter inhibition, but lesinurad is showing urate transport inhibitor. Also, we can remember this itself from the name. See, in lesinurad, here IN stands for inhibitor and URA stands for urate. So, urate transporter inhibitor is lesinurad. So, in this way also you can remember it, right? Now, let us move to question number 4. Carrageenan is composed of which type of units? And the options are glucose, galactose, fructose, and none. Here they have asked is what are the repeating units in carrageenan? Okay, and the right answer for this is galactose. So let us move to question number 5. Reverse transcriptase enzyme are found in HIV, hepatitis B, human T cell leukemia virus type 1, and all. So here they have asked reverse transcriptase enzyme and which disease is showing this type of enzyme. So here all of this disease, that is HIV, hepatitis B, and even human T cell leukemia virus type 1, they all show their pathology by reverse transcriptase enzyme, and so the right answer for this is all. Okay, so let us move to question number 6. Toxic compound in linseed is linamarin, which produces HCN, that is hydrocyanic acid, ammonia NH3, nitric acid HNO3, or none. So here they have asked toxic compound in linseed is linamarin, and this linamarin is producing hydrocyanic acid, this hydrocyanic acid production makes it toxic, and so the right answer for this is HCN. Now, question number 7. Pinacolon rearrangement shows, and the options are tertiary carbocation to secondary or primary carbocation conversion of secondary or primary carbocation to tertiary carbocation, or both is possible or none is possible. C. Pinacolon rearrangement converts unstable carbocationic form to more stable carbocationic form. Okay. Now from the options, you might feel that secondary and primary are less stable as compared to tertiary carbocation. Right. But in this, specifically for pinacolon rearrangement, which involves hydroxy group, in this particular reaction, tertiary carbocation is less stable, whereas secondary or primary carbocation are more stable for pinacolon rearrangement specifically. Okay, because there is resonance stabilization involved in secondary and primary carbocation, so they are more stable, and tertiary carbocation is not having that great resonance stabilization as compared to secondary and primary. So here the right option is E, because tertiary carbocation is less stable than that of secondary or primary carbocation due to resonance stabilization. Okay, I hope so it is clear. If still you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment box. I'll help you out there. Now, number 8. Which content is present in highest amount in spirulina? So the options are protein, unsaturated fatty acids, carbohydrates, or none. So here you must know that spirulina is also used as a dietary supplement, and here we have asked is maximum in content. Okay, see, spirulina will also contain unsaturated fatty acids and carbohydrates, but in maximum content spirulina possesses protein, and so the right answer for this is protein. Here they have asked is content which is present in highest amount. So read the questions thoroughly. Okay, so the right answer for this is protein. Now let us move to question number 9. Identify neurodegenerative disease from the following. The options are Huntington's chorea, Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, Parkinson's disease, or all. This is very obvious question, and the right answer for this is all. Right. All of these diseases are neurodegenerative diseases. Now, question number 10. Adenine is a purine which possesses nitrogen at following positions, and the options are 1289, 1379, 1279, 1359. So this question is from biochemistry, and the right answer for this is 1379. Here I want to tell you is know all the structures of this particular nucleotides: adenine, guanine, uracil, cytosine, all of this. Okay, and also know their numbering. So here for nitrogen in adenine it is 1379. So these are the 10 questions from NIPER JEE 2019 question paper. I hope so you enjoyed this video, and if you have any doubt from this 10 MCQs or any other topic related doubt, then do let me know in the comment box. I'll be happy to help you out. And if you like this video, then do press the like button and subscribe to my channel. So that's it for today. Work hard and all the best.